All right, guys, this is the new Auxbeam AS Slim series. Y'all, before I even get started, Auxbeam is a tremendously awesome company. They stand behind their products. They make quality products. If you have any issues, they will handle it. And y'all, for the price they charge and the quality you get is unbelievable. But let me kind of show you how this works. If you want to switch over, you got three different codes on this. And you got red and you have blue. Your red, you push it on, it just stays on. Your blue is monetary, and your green is your strobe. So let's go over here. Let's leave that one on red, and let's go to the amber lights. We'll switch that on to strobe for right now. And watch this, y'all. That is your strobe. You can go back, hit your button, turn it off. Double click on your go back over here and hit on your red. And when you do that, it'll just stay on. And click it again and it stays that way. Then you go over here and you click it back off. Go back to your mode, you set mode, and it say, let's make everything strobe. And I'll get out of the Jeep and show it to you. Put everything on green, or we'll leave our rock lights on just regular. I don't really want to strobe them, to be honest. But your amber, your grill, and your backup lights is what she got on right now. And watch this, y'all. I didn't set it, did I? Yep, if I said it, would it? Green, 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 green. All right, we got it all going now. But y'all, easy to operate, easy to work. You want something that's quality, hook up all your lights too. Go ahead and reach down there to length and grab yours. And we'll see you another day, I reckon. We'll turn it a little with everything on. Go ahead and turn the rock lights on too where you can see them. But it's pretty awesome, y'all. Y'all click down the link, grab yours, get rid of all that extra wiring that you have that you don't need. And y'all have a good night.